Today I'm going to teach you how to access layers in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you're working with complex PDF documents that contain multiple layers and you need to view, edit, or manage them individually. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials to access all the features. Make sure you're signed into your account before proceeding to the next steps, as this ensures you have full access to all the tools available in Acrobat Pro DC. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen or can be found in the File menu. From your recent files, select the PDF document that contains the layers you want to access. If your file isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can always browse for it using the Open File option. Just make sure you've selected the correct PDF before moving forward. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here, you'll find a button labeled Menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, select View. The View menu is where Adobe Acrobat houses all the display and layout options, allowing you to customize how you interact with your documents. Within the View menu, look for an option called Show Hide. Click on it and you'll see another submenu appear. From this submenu, select Side Panels. This action opens up additional panel options that can be displayed on the side of your workspace. These side panels are essential for accessing advanced features like layers, bookmarks, and other document properties. From the Side Panel submenu, click on Layers. This will activate the Layers panel, which will now appear on the right side of your Acrobat workspace. Once the Layers panel is visible, you'll see a list of all the layers that exist within your PDF document. Each layer will be displayed by its name, making it easy to identify and work with specific elements in your document. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the layers in your PDF document through Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.